Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to do it with a video on TikTok. So start by finding the video you want to make a duet with, and now you click on the little arrow at the bottom right corner, which is also a share button, but it has other functionalities right here. And now at the bottom you can slide with your finger to the left until you find the little duet button that you see at the middle right now. So it says duet, the one that's highlighted here. Click. And now you're duetting the video. So you have a few different options. So the option here is going to act like a green screen. So basically when you are filming the video, your face will pop up with the video that you're duetting with in the background, which is great for highlighting things in the video. Then you have the side-by-side view, and you have the view where you're the bigger person in the video. So you're the main focus of the video. And then you have another side-by-side view. And that is basically how you do the video on TikTok.